Take a deep breath in. And before we begin, hear this clearly. This meditation is not ordinary. By the end of these 5 minutes, you will shift your energy so powerfully that the person on your mind will feel it, miss you, think about you uncontrollably, and feel an urge they cannot ignore. To reach out with honesty, vulnerability, and a long emotional message. If you are ready to receive that message, type in the comments right now. They are texting me now. Now breathe in deeply and let's begin. Close your eyes, relax your shoulders, unclench your jaw. Breathe in slowly through your nose, hold, and release through your mouth. Again, inhale calm, exhale doubt. Feel your body becoming heavy, safe, supported. You are entering a space where manifestation happens fast. Now silently or softly repeat after me. They cannot stop thinking about me. My energy pulls them in effortlessly. I am unforgettable. They feel drawn to message me now. They are composing a long, heartfelt text to me. Communication flows to me quickly and easily. They feel safe expressing their true feelings to me. I attract instant results. What I desire desires me back even faster. Now I want you to imagine them. They are holding their phone, typing, deleting, and typing again. Their heart is racing. Their thoughts filled with you. They cannot hold it anymore. They miss you. They feel you. They need to tell you everything. See the message appearing. Long, emotional, honest. Words they have been holding back. Confessions, apologies, truth. And now feel this shift. You are not waiting. You are receiving. You are not hoping. You are knowing. Feel the certainty in your chest, like it has already happened, because energetically it has. Now say this slowly. It is done. It is already mine. They are already reaching out now. I received their message with ease. Now take one deep breath in and seal this energy in. Now gently open your eyes and expect the message. Type this in the comments to claim it. I received their long message now. And if you are ready to manifest even faster, visit joybyjanell.com, where you will unlock deeper techniques to accelerate your results.